Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Anyone that knows me knows that I love making bread, and my other knives just really did not cut it, literally, until I found this great one from WICKWILLOW, which does such a great job at cutting through even the toughest of breads. This knife is extra long, and the handle feels so heavyweight, really allowing me to have great control when I'm cutting my bread. It feels just right every time. The steel is great German steel, and you can see that it's sharp and durable. It's easy to clean, and it's not just a bread knife. You can use it to cut other things as well, like watermelon or cake, really whatever you need to do in your kitchen. The knife works whether you're left or right-handed, and it really does such an awesome job. Whether you're a baker or you know someone that is, they're going to be super pleased with this really wonderful knife that will really elevate all of your bread cutting needs. And that's my point of view.